Welcome to the frame installation video. This aluminium frame is used to carry field cancelling cables, which are provided by Spicer Consulting. The joints are insulated to ensure that there are no shorted loops in parallel with the cables. Now you're going to learn how to build this frame. When the frame pieces arrive in the tubes, you will find 4 upright lamps. You will also have 4 top lamps to go at the top of the frame, which will also have a bracket attached at one end. This is to connect them to other parts of the frame. There will also be 4 adjustable lamps, which will go inside the uprights. You will then find a bag of extra parts, which will include 4 feet, a 4mm Allen key, 4 grey corner covers, and 8 M6 by 16mm Allen screws. The first step is to screw all 4 feet into the bottoms of all 4 of the uprights. Here you can see the yokes which are attached to either end of the adjustable length. These will need to be loosened off to be able to go inside the upright lamps. To do that, there are 2 Allen bolts which you can undo with the Allen key provided. What you'll want to do next is attach a top length to 2 of the uprights. Continue to add a top length. Add the third top length to the 2 legs. Once you add the last top length, you'll then have a square at the top with the 2 legs. Attach the 2 final upright lamps and you'll then have a square frame. Now that the frame is standing up, we can now put on the adjustable lamps. These will need to be pulled from the bottom and the yokes go inside the channels of the upright lamps. These will need to sit at around desk height. Continue to work around the frame by putting the adjustable lamps in until all 4 are in place. Don't forget to tighten up the Allen bolts. This is how the frame looks when it has been built and with the adjustable lamps in place. Each corner will have a bracket attached to one end of the top length. These brackets will connect to another top length and an upright piece. We can then slot the grey corner covers into place, which look like this. Take a spirit level and make sure that the adjustable lamps are level. Then tighten up the yokes and make sure that they are in place. Then you're ready to install the cables. Thank you for watching.